Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation? X plus y is equal to 1, xy is equal to 1. Then from here, x plus y is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 1. Let's call this equation 2. From equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 1. Then y is equal to 1 minus x. Let's call this equation 3. And from this equation 2, from 2, xy is equal to 1. Then let's substitute for y. We have s bracket 1 minus s is equal to 1. Let's open the bracket. S times 1, that is s. Then s times minus s, we have minus s square is equal to 1. Then here is s minus s square minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's rearrange this. We have minus s square plus s minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's divide all through by minus 1. Then if you divide minus s square by minus 1, we have s square. Then if you divide plus s by minus 1, it will be minus s. Then if you divide minus 1 by minus 1, we have plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. Here we have s is equal to minus bracket minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then here we have s is equal to minus times minus 1, that is 1, plus or minus square root of minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 1, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is minus 4 divided by 2 times 1, that is 2. Then here we have x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 divided by 2. And this is equal to 1 plus or minus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Therefore, x1 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 3 divided by 2, or s2 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 3 divided by 2. We've gotten the value of s1 and s2. We can solve for y1 and y2. Then from equation 3, y is equal to 1 minus x. Then y1 will be equal to 1 minus s1 is 1 plus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Now y1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 minus 1, then minus times plus, that is minus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Y1 will be equal to 1 minus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Also for Y2, this is equal to 1 minus S2. Then Y2 is equal to 1 minus bracket S2 is 1 minus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Y2 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Then Y2 is equal to 1 plus I square root of 3 divided by 2. Our final answers are S1, Y1 is equal to 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2, 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2. Then S2, Y2 is equal to 1 minus I square root of 3 divided by 2, 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. We can check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. Now to check, we have the given equation S plus Y is equal to 1, Sy is equal to 1. Then let's check using any of these. Let's consider this first. For S plus Y equal to 1, this is equal to 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 plus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 must be equal to 1. You can see here that the LCM is 2. Then here will be 1 plus I root 3 plus 1 minus I root 3 must be equal to 1. This will cancel this. Now we have 1 plus 1, that is 2, 1 plus 1, that is 2, divided by 2 must be equal to 1. Then, therefore, this will cancel this. 1 is equal to 1, which is true. And let's consider the product too. Then for Sy is equal to 1, then this is 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2 must be equal to 1. Take note of this, that I square is equal to minus 1. So the whole of this can be written as 1 times 1, that is 1. Then 1 times minus I root 3, that is minus I root 3. Then plus I root 3 times 1, that is I root 3. Then here will be minus, here is I times I, that is I square, multiplied by root 3 times root 3, that is 3, must be equal to 1. Now we have this will cancel this. Here is 1 minus bracket I square is minus 1 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 1. Then here is 1. 1 times 1, that will be plus 1 times 3, that is 3. Then must be equal to 1. But here we have the denominator, which is 2 times 2, that is 4. So everything here divided by 4. Then we have 1 plus 3, that is 4, divided by 4. This must be equal to 1. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 1. Therefore, the left hand side 1 is equal to the right hand side 1, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.